How will I-526E approval affect a derivative's ability to obtain or renew an F1 visa? How an approved I-526E petition would impact a derivative's chances of obtaining or renewing an F1 visa depends largely on timing. If the derivative has not yet filed Form DS-260 as part of EB-5 consular processing, then they have not yet expressed immigrant intent, and there is a chance they will be successful in their application for an F1 visa. However, it may be necessary for the derivative to include mention of the primary EB-5 investor's approved I-526E petition and the possibility of future immigration. If, on the other hand, the derivative has already filed for an EB-5 visa, this indicates immigrant intent and could potentially result in denial of an F1 visa. F1 visa. An essential component of the F1 visa is that it requires the applicant to provide sufficient evidence of their intention to depart upon completion of studies and expiration of their F1 visa. As a non-immigrant visa that does not carry dual intent, the F1 visa serves only as a temporary authorization for international students to complete academic studies in the United States. Any prospective applicant of the F1 visa would need to append documentation to their application that indicates permanent ties to their home country, such as the existence of family and relatives, a position of employment that will be resumed upon their return, or a permanent home residence or property. Failure to satisfy the non-immigrant intent requirement could result in rejection of the derivative's application. If the derivative is applying for a renewal, they must follow the same process as when they first applied. This entails filing Form DS-160 and attending an interview at the U.S. Embassy or consulate office in their home country. Because timing plays a critical role in this situation, any EB-5 derivative seeking an F1 visa whose family member has already received approval of Form I-526E is best served consulting an experienced immigration attorney for guidance on how to best proceed.